Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this delicious creamy coconut cake. We're actually celebrating Francesca's 16th birthday. She's just having some few friends over and we're going to call it a day. We are taking her to Paris, France and London. So that's going to be her big birthday gift. We're super excited. Let's go straight to this video, guys. Let me show you how to prepare this delicious coconut cake. You're gonna need some cool whipped cream, extra creamy. We're gonna need some powdered sugar. We're gonna need cream cheese, and we are gonna need some vanilla extract, some almond extract, and some coconut as well. We're going to be using some sour cream. This is going to give it such a delicious taste, such a kick. And of course, we're going to need some coconut flakes. And yes, guys, I am going to do a little cheat sheet here. I am going to be using just a regular white cake mix. If you want to go ahead and do your cake, go right ahead, okay? So, of course, I don't own any fancy baking utensils, guys, so my Hamilton Beach will do. And I'm going to be using my baking pan here. So, guys, come with me and let me show you guys how to prepare this delicious, creamy coconut cake that no one has to know. So we have the whipped cream. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the vanilla extract. Again, guys, don't panic. I will put the ingredients and measurements on my link. And then I have the coconut extract right now. So look how pretty that's looking already. And we're gonna go ahead and mix this nicely, and then we'll add the other ingredients as well. This right here is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and add all the other ingredients. Now, my friends, here we have the cream cheese and we have the powdered sugar. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this nicely as well. And now we're gonna start adding the powdered sugar. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it in portion. I'm not gonna put all this sugar. I'm just gonna do half. A little bit. Let's do this, guys. It's gonna feel like a little hard at the beginning, kind of dry. But as we go, it's gonna get nice and fluffy. And what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna actually mix this with the whipping cream, and this is gonna be our delicious frosting. So this is our last part here for frosting. What I did is I actually added the whipping cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix this nicely, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator so it actually cools, and it's gonna be so easy to put this frosting on this coconut creamy cake. It's gonna be so good, guys. And and this is ready. Let's go ahead and refrigerate for a few minutes. Okay, my friends, let's do this. I'm gonna be using the white cake mix. So this is my cheat sheet, guys. And I'm gonna follow directions, of course, on the cake box. The only different thing I'm gonna be adding, of course, is going to be some coconut extract, some vanilla extract, and some almond flavor as well. But this is the kicker here. This is the sour cream. So I have about a cup of sour cream here. And everything else is pretty much, again, as directed here in the instructions, okay? So let me go ahead and get my oven ready at 350 and start putting this delicious cake mix together. Now guys, here's another trick with this as well. One of the things I like to do when I do a cake box mix, I don't use the cup of water. I like to use milk. I think that for some reason, I don't know, maybe it's mental, it tastes way better. Okay, so let me go ahead and mix this and get this in the oven so we can get going. Okay, my friends, the cake is ready, and it is ready to be frosted with this delicious frosting, guys. Look how beautiful it's looking, guys. And you know what, guys? Be generous. Don't be shy. Just be generous. See what I did? I filled all the inside, and we have plenty of frosting. So you know what, guys? Just put it all there. We don't do this all the time, right? It is covered in this delicious, creamy coconut. Now this is the best part, guys. Let's start adding the coconut flakes. Now my friends, I actually started already with the coconut, and you know what? I actually have, I picked up sweet coconut flakes. It's actually sweetened. So if you want to do the unsweetened, no sugar, well, go right ahead. I know it's gonna be a really sweet cake, guys. What I'm gonna do is here top the coconut flakes here so they stick nicely. Look how pretty it's looking. Don't be shy, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue here. This is gonna be a little messy, but hey, it's gonna be worth it. Now look how beautiful this came out, my friends. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and this is going to be ready to serve. Of course, this is going to be Francesca's birthday, so I'm going to put some candles on top, and I'm going to show you how pretty it looks at the end. And of course, we are going to give this a taste. Beautiful, easy peasy. And guess what, guys? No one has to know it's a cake box mix. Now, my friends, look how beautiful this birthday cake looks. It was delicious. Guys, as always, thank you for watching. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, bye-bye.